Hi everyone, this is your class teacher. Today we are going to begin with grade 4, chapter 3, addition and subtraction. So just imagine that we are going to go on a field trip. So first is sugar factory, candy shop, then garden and whatnot. So I hope you're excited for the field trip, okay? So imagine you've gone to sugar factory and you went 2 days, okay? So first day your mama brought 3,264 sacks of rice, and on the second day she brought 3,135 sacks. So you need to count. And are you going to count one by one how much is there? No, we simply add. So let's see how are we going to add it, okay? So it's 3,264 on top. We first make the columns of ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. And then we write 3,135. Now 5 plus 4 is going to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's going to be 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. 2 plus 1, 3. And 3 plus 3 is 6. So we always add from this side. Okay, we start from one section. So the factory packed 6,399 sacks altogether. Next question. Now we know how to add when there is no extra digit or there is no burden. But now imagine there's too much burden on particular section or particular column. I'll teach you with that an example. The garden has 470 amla trees and 499 hirda trees. How many trees are there all together? So 0 plus 9, we already know it's 9. Now 7 plus 9, I want you to count it with me. Keeping 9 in your mind, let's count to 7. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. We cannot write 16 like this. We have to do something about this number. This is going to be too much burden on tens. So what to do? Now we're going to take this one and push it towards 100 side. Let's see this. So we are just going to take this one and move it towards. We're going to tell it as carry forward. We are going to carry this forward towards the 100 side. Then once we carry forward, we write it on top. Can you see here? The one is written on top. Let's count again. So 16 we got, then 4 plus 4 is 8 and you add this one as well. So 8 plus 1, 9. So there are 969 trees altogether. Let's do this carry forward one by one. I have just given one example, small example, 38 plus 27. Let's count this. 7 plus 8 is going to be 15. Now we cannot write 1 and 5 here, correct? So what we have to do is we have to remove this one and we have to write that one on top over here. Then 3 plus 2, 5 and plus 1, 6. So your answer is 65 at the end. Next, 225 plus 649. Do you want to give it a try yourself? Do pause the video and solve it yourself and then you can come back for the solution. So 9 plus 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 4 below and 1 we carry over here. This one we are going to carry over here. 2 plus 1, 3 and 3 plus 4, 7. 6 plus 2, 8. So your answer is 874. Wow, lovely candies. So you have 14 candies and 18 candies. So how many they are together? All together, how many are they? So you're going to put it into ones column, or you can say units, tens column, and 18. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 again we cannot write all together. So we write 2 here and we carry forward the 1. And 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. So 32 candies we have all together. So you've understood about addition, which means we put together, and whenever it is too much of burden, we carry forward. There are few textbook questions which I have taken here to solve. 8,754 plus 1,235. So 8,754 plus 1,235. So 5 plus 4, 9. 5 plus 3, 8. 7 plus 2, 9. 8 plus 1, 9. Next up, 6,403 plus 2,054. So let's write that 6,403 plus 2,054. So 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 5 plus 0, 5. 4 plus 0, 4. 6 plus 2, 8. Then we have 3 digits, like 3 numbers. 4-digit numbers, but there are 3 numbers. 5,720. Then 1,122 and 3,147. So let's count and add them all together. 7 plus 2, 9. 4 plus 2 plus 2 is going to be 8. Then we have 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9. Then we have 5 plus 1, 6 plus 3, 7, 8, 9. Next up we have 7,546 plus 1,368. So let's count them. 8, or we can do 6 plus 8 as well. So that's going to be 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we keep the 4 here, carry forward 1. Then 4 plus 1, 5, plus 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we keep 1 here and carry forward 1. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. 7 plus 1 is going to be 8. Okay, next up we have 4,985 plus 1,247. Let's add that. 7 plus 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we keep 2 here, 2 is here, and we carry forward 1. 8 plus 1, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 3 here and 1 carry forward. 9 plus 1, 10, and plus 2, 12. So 2 here and again 1 carry forward. So 4 plus 1, 5, plus 1, 6. So you got your answer, 6,232. Lastly, we have 3,758 plus 2,184 plus 3,403. Okay, let's add this. So it's 8 plus 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 plus 3, 13, 14, 15. So it's 1 and 5 below. Then 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 8, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we write 4 below, 1 carry forward. 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, plus 4, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we write 3 below and 1 is going to be carry forward. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9,345, we got your answer. Next they have told arrange vertically and add. So it's 3,683 plus 2,315. So 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 6 plus 3, 9. And 3 plus 2, 5. We have 4792 plus 4206. 6 plus 2, 8. 9 plus 0, 9. 7 plus 2, 9. And 4 plus 4, 8. I hope students you can solve the remaining sums in your textbook. You can refer to these solutions given on your screen. Let's move ahead. There are a few word problems. A factory produced 2,354 toys on the first day. On the second day, 2,123 toys were produced. How many total toys were produced on both the days? So let's write this down first. So it's 2,354 added with 2,123. So 4, 5, 6, 7. So you get 7 here. 5 plus 2 is 7. 3 plus 1 is 4. 2 plus 2 is again 4. So you get 4,477 toys were produced on both the days, like if you add both the days. Next, in Pokrani village there are 5,134 males and 4,765 females. What is the total population of village? So they have 5,134 males and 4,765 females. 5 plus 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6 plus 3 again 9. 7 plus 1 is 8. And 5 plus 4 is again 9. Then we have the balance of Hirkani Women's Saving Bank account is 6,718. To this amount of 2,845 is added as current month saving. What is the total amount in that account? So this is the last question. 6,718 and 2,845. So 8 plus 5. Let's count 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 3 and 1 carry. 4 plus 1 is 5 plus 1 is 6. Then 7 plus 8, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 5 and 1 carry. 6 plus 1, 7 and plus 2, 9. 9,536. Students, why don't you all give a try for these questions and let me know in the comments if you face any difficulty. I'll surely clear your doubts. They have given few questions, numerals over there and just incomplete information. They've asked us to frame addition word problem and then solve it. The students of a school deposited 5,869 in the school saving bank last month. This month they deposited 3,085 more. What is the total amount saved in the school saving bank? So we simply add, let's write that down here, 5,869 plus 3,085. So 9 plus 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 4 and 1. 8 plus 1 is 9 and plus 6. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 5 and 1 carry. 8 plus 1, 9 and 5 plus 3 is 8. So you get 8,954. Similarly, you can pause and solve for the second question as well as third and fourth. I hope students you've understood this chapter. If you have any doubts, don't forget to put down in the comments and let me know which question of maths or which topic of maths video would you like to see next. Thanks for watching.